So now it's time for us to apply the logical functions to calculate and create this chart, which is going to tell you which payment is going to fall in which category of overdue days. For that, we are going to use if function, and as we have learned before, if function has three parameters. In if function, we will first write a logical test, any comparison or any formula that we are going to write as the first parameter. And then if the answer to that test or that formula is true, then Excel will perform this action, which is the next parameter. And if the answer to this test is false, then Excel will perform the third parameter, which could be any value or it could be a formula. That means you have to write a logical test such that the answer to that particular test is either true or false. Let's see how to do that by writing the formula. So here we want to find out if this particular payment falls overdue within 0 to 30 days, and that overdue days value is here. So you have to find out whether this number is within 0 to 30 days. So let me first give you an example and show you how the result of a logical test can be true or false in Excel. So we are going to write a test here equal to this number is less than or equal to 30. When you want to write less than and equal to, you have to write these two signs in this particular sequence. So we are going to check whether this number is less than or equal to 30, which is required for this value to come in this particular zone. And I'm going to hit enter. So Excel has given an answer, it's false. 41 is not less than or equal to 30. Let me drag this formula down, and for 23 it has given answer true. So this particular answer that you get is used by if function to decide whether to take action 1 or action 2. Alright, so let's now write the full if function. So I'm going to edit this and I'm going to start typing here if open brackets, condition is this, comma. When we write the comma, Excel understands that now you are writing the second parameter. So if it is true, then we should have this value here. So we will select this cell, which is this cell. And if it is false, then we should have 0. And we hit enter. So for this particular invoice, this value should not be in this zone because the days overdue is 41 and it should be here. So let's copy this formula down by dragging, and also we will drag it up. Second thing we will do is have a currency format applied on this particular range, and we will do that for this entire range here. And we will apply the currency formatting.